Ricco, you have some friends coming over today. We're having a play date. Yeah, you are. I know. Are you excited? It's two birdies. We're going to have a Quaker. You've never met him before. He's adorable. Yeah, he's cute. He's a little boy. His name is Lago. And a ringneck parrot. He's a boy too. His name is Cosmo. Yeah. So, are you going to be a good boy? Yeah, I hope so. I think you're going to like them. I hope you're not too nervous. I'm a little nervous. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. Mwah. Oh, he's so cute. You're going to be good, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Go play peekaboo. Go. You want another one? Go get another one. Go ahead. Go. We go. He is now looking like
Cosmo's a monster.
like the way I'm doing it. It's fine. Good job. Good job, Ricco. You want to give them a kiss? Give them a kiss. Want to play peekaboo with them?
You want to give him kisses, Cosmo?
How was the interaction with the other birds? The ones that you babysat?
So Lago loved like all.
Where am I going? Who's that, Ricco? Who's that? You want to come play? Come. Come here. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Don't
Oh, hey, Lago.
I knew he was going to go for that because Ricco does that too.
Oh, he's a little asshole. He loves like anything on your counter.
Ricco
Gone.
does that sometimes too. You know, like when they eat, do they eat on the counter too, like
They
this? Or
do. Like
they
I have like
okay.
a little like living room like table thing. And
Thought I was the only weird one who did that.
and like all their food is just on there and they're just.
Oh, hi.
Hello. Do you like being in the camera? Is that what it is?
He does.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh my goodness.
And what's the doggy do? Good boy. What about the telephone? What's the telephone do? Nope. What's the telephone do? Telephone. Nope. Telephone. Good job. Good boy. Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
You want to give him kisses?
Give him a kiss, Ricco. Want to play peekaboo with him? Want to go play peekaboo? Go play peekaboo with him. Give him a kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. Give him a kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Ricco, go get him. Oh, oh Ricco, you do it too. Oh my god, they both do. Ricco does that too.
Really?
Yeah.
I was like, come on, Ricco, help me. There's treats in
Ricco,
here.
go. He goes, go, 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 go. Come on, give him a kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. Oh, you do that too. You go, pop, 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 pop. You do that. Ricco's so unsure. Good job. Good job, Ricco. Want to give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Want to play peekaboo with them?
You want to give him kisses, Cosmo?
Play peekaboo. 1, 2, 3.
Good boy.
Cosmo's like, doo, 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 doo. I'm just gonna. Don't mind me. I'm gonna just walk over there
think so. I think so.
But you got used to it.
Oh, he's getting used to it, Angela.
I think his Lago's a little bit more calm, right?
Yeah, the Lago's not trying to
Yeah.
be in his personal
Oh.
space.
Because he's curious. Who is that? Hey, Mommy? Mommy? Oh, so, what'd you think? How was it? It wasn't too bad. He was really nervous in the beginning. You guys didn't see it all because I wasn't taping it. He was really, really nervous in the beginning. And he seemed to warm up to Lago, which is the Quaker, after a little bit. Cosmo, what are you up to? Cosmo, I think just he wasn't sure because Cosmo wanted to play with you, but you were a little nervous and he was flying after him. Yeah, you had your work cut out for you. So yeah, hopefully we can have another play date and see how it goes.